Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have an AP Precalculus type of a question for you from the topic of exponential functions. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f is defined by f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants. The table gives values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statement is true? The x values are given 0 to 4, f of x values are given 3 to 0.1875. So, let me show you some strategies to solve this one. F of x is given as a times b to the power of x. So if you will use the first given value, just substituting 0 for the x, which means you will find 3. So this is 3. So b to the power of 0 means 1. A times 1 is 3. Therefore, the value of a is 3. And in all choices, a is given actually greater than 0, so we cannot eliminate anything with that. But I'm going to use the second item, f1. Now we're using this. A is 3. I can just substitute that. Excuse me. B to the power of 1 is equals to 1.5. So 3 times b is equals to 1.5. So to get the value of b, we will divide both sides by 3. Then we're going to get the value of b. When you just, if you have, you can thought of this way. You can just say that it's 0.5, or you can just move the decimal place once in here, and move. Let me show you. 1.5. If we'll move the decimal place one step from the numerator, the bottom one you need to put in another 0, so this becomes 15 over 30, which is 0.5 half. So b is 0.5. So the b is not greater than 1, first of all. So does this, as the x values increases, does the y values we have, do they increase? No, they are decreasing. Because of that, so our correct answer will be choice A for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.